In 60 seconds or less, I will explain what Omnisend's image editor is and show you how simple it is to give your emails a bit more flair with Omnisend. Oh, here's a problem. You have a great email ready to be sent out, but the image you added there lacks a little pizzazz. Yeah, it's simple. Let me show you. So here I have an image, but it lacks a little pizzazz, as I mentioned. So I'm gonna click on it, click on Edit Image, and then we have multiple options to choose from. In my case, I want to make this grayscale to make it a bit more spooky. So I'm gonna go to Filters. You can stack multiple of them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select Polaroid to give it a bit more sharpness, and then Grayscale to make it grayscale. Apply. Next, what we can do is add a text. Let's click on the text field and let's write something. And then I'm going to increase the size to about 78. Change the color of the text. And I also want to make it a bit more spooky. So let's select trash hand and move the text over here. Great. Let's apply it. And we can also add an arrow. Let's go to shapes, click here and adjust. And then we can adjust the color. Let's select something reddish. Let's apply. And here's my favorite one, the rounded corners one. If you want to avoid these sharp looking corners, you can just select here, adjust the radius, and you can see how much of the corners it's gonna cut, and click apply. Looks much smoother now, and I love it. Once we're done, we can click on done. And there you go, small but powerful. Built right into Omnisend's email builder. Take advantage of image editor today.